Hello everyone, so today we continue our lesson, right? So today lesson, we go to lesson 6. Okay, we continue about these lessons. So today we talk about formal function, right? So first we talk about left functions, right functions, lower functions, and the last one, upper function, right? So don't waste the time, we will talk about it one by one. Okay, before we talk about it, look at an objective today. So what we study, right? So objective today, at the end of this lesson, student will be able to, right? Convert all letter in specified string to lowercase. As I mentioned you before, today we talk about for function. So which function match to this description? Convert all letter in specified string to lowercase, right? So example that you have the word welcome all in capital letter, right? So you want to convert all of this to lowercase. So which function we use? Okay, we will talk about it later. So next, we will convert text to all uppercase. So opposite from the top one, right? Opposite from here. So example, you have welcome and then you want to convert all to uppercase. So which function that we use? So the next, we talk about extract substring from a string starting from the leftmost character. String mean a tag, right? So what does substring mean, right? So you take a look at this example. For example, you have a word welcome and then you want to separate some character from this word. I mean that you want to take out some character from this word from left to right. You see this function, when I use it, it's take out only the word, only well, right? Only the WEL. So which function that we use, right? So next, extract a substring from a string starting from rightmost character, right? So we take out some part of the text from the right. Example, I want to take out 4 character on here. So the result, I see only the word come, right? So which function that I use to do this? Okay, we will talk about it one by one, right? So then waste the time, we go to the first function, lower function. So what is lower function? So what lower function used for, right? So lower function return a lowercase version of a given text string. Numbers and punctuation are not affected, right? So this function is used for convert all the uppercase to lowercase, as I mentioned, right? So take a look at syntax, right? As you know, to write the function, first you type an equal sign and then the name of the function and the parameters that or argument that function need. So this one we type lower and take in the middle. So this one is uppercase letter, right? That we want to convert to lowercase. So how, right? So take a look at this example. We have all capital letter on the left side and then the result, we want to convert all of these to lowercase later, right? Okay, so take a look at this example. Okay, this is all capital letter and now we want to convert to small letter. Okay, so now we type an equal sign and then the name of the functions all in capital letter, right? Lower, and then the parameter that we need is this tag, right? Okay, and close the parenthesis and press enter. You will see the result, right? It will convert all of these to small letter. Okay, so this is lower function. Remember, lower function used for convert all capital letters to lowercase letter. Okay, so now take a look at the second example. The second example, we talk about upper function, right? So upper function means opposite from lower function. Upper function return uppercase version of given text string. Numbers and punctuation are not affected, right? So it used to convert the lower case letter to uppercase, right? So this name of these functions, the syntax equal sign and the function name upper, right? So take a look at this example. You see all are lowercase letter. So we want to convert it to uppercase. So, okay. So first we type an equal sign and then the name of the function upper and the text that we want to convert here, and then close the parenthesis. Okay, so you will see the result like this. Okay, so this will convert, right, to all capital letter. So this is we use upper functions, right? So next function we talk about left function. So what does left function use for? As I mentioned you before, right, take out some text from left, take out some text from right. So now take a look at this one. Left function extract a given number of characters from the left side of a supply text string. Take out some character from the left side, right? So take a look at this example when you use left functions. Left function, remember left function have two arguments, right? The first argument is the text that you want to separate. For example, you want the word apples. And the second argument, you type 3, it means that you take out 3 characters from the left. So the result will return APP, not the full word, right? So look at the syntax, left, text, and then num chars mean the number of characters, right? So take a look at this example. So example, this is all the text, right? So when you want to take out some text from left to right, example, you want to take 3 characters from the left. So how to do this? You type left functions, right? And then you select the text, yeah, here, this cell. And then what number we fill to take out 3 characters at the beginning? So we fill 3, right? So here, yeah, we fill 3 and then we close the parenthesis, press enter, you will see the result like this. So what happens when you want to take the word York also, right? New York. So which number that you change, right? So you change this 1 to 8. Okay, you understand why we fill with number 8? So count this one all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So the space also count 1 character. So we fill 8. Example, you want to get the word the letter C also, right? So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you fill 10, you will see New York and then letter C, right? So this is the left function used to take out some text from the left, right? So the last one is the right function. So what is right functions? Right function extract a given numbers of character from right side of the supply text string. It's opposite from left function, right? So you see when you type right function, example the word apples, again when you type 3, it will take out 3 characters from the right, PLE. It return you PLE, right? So take a look at example, you type right text, number of characters the same. So take a look at this example, right? This is an instruction. Write 4 characters of New York City. They want to see 4 characters from the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, it means this word city. So how to do this, right? So to do this, inside here, you must type an equal sign, right? Okay, so you type an equal sign and then the name of the function, right functions, and then yeah, text, I mean here, right? And then separate by comma. Okay, and then we want 4 characters from the right? So we fill 4. So you see the word city that we take out from right to left. Okay, remember left function take out some string from left to right, and right function from right to left. Okay, understand? Okay, thank you everyone for joining online class today. Okay, don't forget to do classwork and submit for me by today. Okay, goodbye.